Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're showing you a pulse oximeter. So this is temp and pulse. You got SpO2, temperature, pulse rate, perfusion index. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get. So we go ahead, open the box here. So it goes over. Little card that tells you how to do your temperature. Manual. It looks like you can get the manual in PDF by scanning that. Nice little strap, nice little carrying bag. And this is it. So there's a little thing here we can peel back. If we can get to it. So it's really cool. Oh, that's awesome. They got a little heart there. That's pretty cool. So just to go over how the temperature works, the sensor, stick the temperature sensor on the place where it needs to measure for 5 to 8 minutes, then insert into the machine to read the data. So if we go ahead and show you guys what that means, and it gives you the chart on where to put the sensor. So what you do is for 5 to 8 minutes, oh, nice little sticker. 5 to 8 minutes, you place the sensor, which this is it, and you probably use the sticker, so you would have like this. It's probably how it goes, and then you stick this where it tells you to, under the armpit, on the head, or in the mouth, it looks like. Oral, yeah. And then you do it for 5 to 8 minutes, and then what you do is you plug this into the machine. So you would plug this into the port, which is right in here. So you would plug it in there, and then the temperature is ready to go. Keep this little piece of paper because you're going to want to place this back on here, just like that, for storage. So that's how that works. Right in here, you put your AAA batteries. So it takes 2 AAA batteries. Alright, so let's see if it auto comes on or not. Okay, so you press the heart. Yes, you press the heart. And now it's reading. Now, you guys see on the camera, it's blinking. It's not blinking in person. That's just on the camera. So I'm not sure what correct finger you're supposed to be using. We'll see. Probably the wrong finger I'm using. So you can rotate the screen by pressing this button here. Rotates the screen all around. Does seem like it pops out a little bit here. So when you put your finger in, you just have to go, and you see that blinking light in there. You just put your finger up to that, and that's all. That's as far as you need to go. You don't got to go the whole way. But yeah, so it's very simple. It does have auto off as well once it's not being used. So nice little handy device to check a couple different things.